we are solving some of the hardest problems in supply chain for some of the largest companies in the world.
The better we anticipate them, the better we are meeting the strategic objectives.
The problem with having an independent solution that does sales forecasting, a different system that does demand planning, a different system that does inventory and supply planning is each of them might individually have the right answer, like the math may work, but when you tie them together, the decisions aren't really connected. They're not based on the same set of assumptions. And so in Anaplan, we can actually do that all in one place.
What Anaplan brought to us is the collaboration, alignment, one source of truth. We have now cut our inventory carrying cost by 20%.
Applications have changed the game for Anaplan. We've always had this platform that's wildly flexible and customers have built phenomenal solutions on it. Thank you to our beautiful customers and our wonderful partners that have brought together amazing solutions. Applications is really the commercialization of all of that in a solution that now is out of the box. Accelerated time to value, more intelligence built into it automatically, great user experience, really thoughtful workflow. And the key piece that we're launching as we launch more and more apps that are connected is the ability to run intelligent scenarios. So I can be super agile, I can instantly do, what if analysis and understand what's the impact on revenue, margin, and not just at a high level, but down to the P&L level detail.
Anaplan has enabled us to take around 35% of the time spent on pricing, allowing the teams to do more value-added work.
These applications are designed to work in a very integral way. We transition from demand planning to supply planning to cost of goods sold that's being driven by finance, right? Into sales forecasting, it's being driven by sales, into trade promotion planning. How do we understand pricing and promotion planning and use that in a connected way back into supply chain? How do I accelerate sales or slow down sales based on the season, for example? And using these applications in a connected way really helps make, again, more intelligent end-to-end decisions across the business.
Anaplan applications for supply chain was a perfect fit for our business. We implemented within a 12-week project, fantastic set of base applications and ideal to support our business processes. Our forecast accuracy has improved by 20% since the introduction of Anaplan. Anaplan has helped us identify slow-moving stock within the portfolio. We're enabled now to report on it and to track the disposal month by month. We've also reduced our overall stock holding by 25%.
I'm a huge believer that if you don't have analytics to help drive decisions, you're not going to be able to make the kind of volume decisions that you have to do in supply chain. So we need analytics to not only help give great forecasts, for example, but we need analytics to proactively look at the actuals and understand the trends across the market, what's happening in the field, what's actually happening at the street with the inventory, and use analytics to proactively identify exceptions, do anomaly detection, run automated scenarios, and highlight exceptions for the business to help them make more intelligent decisions.
Now with Anaplan, we have more time to analyze the data instead of gather the data, which allows for better business decisions and better planning. Anaplan allows us to do scenario planning, which had taken us several hours and a lot of manpower to actually change a figure. Now we could go into Anaplan and change a sales number for a particular month, and it actually allocates it down to each SKU level. It's empowering us to make decisions quicker and to get a better idea of where we need to be.
I think the foundation we have is phenomenal, and the ability to connect planning and actually make decisions across the business, I think, is unparalleled with Anaplan. The money that we're investing in analytics, I think, is going to change the way that people actually use that process, right? So analytics all of a sudden start to drive intelligent decisions, automate the process, and just really kind of take it to the next level. But I think in Anaplan, the ability for us to connect supply chain decisions with financial planning decisions back into trade promotion planning, pricing, sales pipeline, I think is really unparalleled. Nobody else in the business, no other supply chain vendor really has the ability to do what we do end to end. And I think that sort of platform capability, along with the ability to, again, run scenarios, tie in analytics, really make intelligent decisions within the overall process real time, is something that's going to be a game changer for us in supply chain.
So the advice I'd give anyone who's starting their Anaplan journey is to embrace it. Go on the training, learn what Anaplan can do, and then really push it as far as you can. I've not found anything that it can't cope with yet, but I'll keep trying. I'm Cara Wilcox, Head of Pricing at Jaguar Land Rover.
I'm Tomasz Leszczyński, the head of supply operations for Michelin Connected Solutions Europe.
I'm Lori Martucci, digital lead at Bayer.
I'm Derek McComb, planning manager with CVH Spirits.
And we plan
And we plan
And we plan
And we plan
with
Anaplan.
Anaplan.